Mazda's best-selling compact SUV, the 2026 Mazda CX-5, is getting a major facelift. Mazda previewed the new car and announced its July 10, 2025 presentation. The CX-5's new generation has sharper styling, a larger cabin, improved practicality, and human-centric technology. Key 2026 Mazda CX. 5 features. 1. Design and exterior. Evolutionary styling. T's photographs suggest a modest evolution rather than a drastic redesign, although the style will be sharper and sleeker. Despite redesigned body panels, the silhouette should remain. New lighting. Expect sleek LED headlights that slope higher and may curve into the grille. Slimmer LED taillights with a hook-like or unique curve form, like the CX-90, are expected. Front fascia. A bolder, more sculpted grille with a new design and slimmer chrome accents is expected. Rugged elements. Higher trims may have body color panels, but unpainted plastic cladding around the wheel arches may make it look tougher. 2. Interior/technology. Mazda promises a roomier interior and greater utility, addressing criticism of the existing model's tight backseat and cargo capacity. Premium feel. The cabin may use materials and design cues from the CX-90 to enhance Mazda's world-class craftsmanship. Expect Nappa leather, ventilated seats, and soft-touch surfaces. Greater infotainment. The existing model screen and controls may be improved, along with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Bigger infotainment and gauge cluster screens are also suggested by a broad digital dashboard. 3. Powertrain options. Traditional gasoline. The 2026 CX-5 will likely use a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, offered naturally aspirated 187 horsepower or turbocharged 256 horsepower. The CX-50 hybrid inherits Toyota's hybrid drivetrain, but Mazda's in-house hybrid is a substantial improvement. This hybrid setup should boost fuel efficiency and performance. This hybrid system will debut in late 2027, possibly using Mazda's new i-Activsense gasoline engine for better emissions and performance. This suggests the hybrid model may launch with an existing power plant before switching to i-Activsense. Expect power between the standard 2.5L and turbocharged 2.5L. Transmission. A smooth, dependable 6-speed automatic transmission should carry over. Drivetrain. Front and all-wheel drive are offered. 4. Platform. Instead of the longitudinal platform utilized by the CX-70 and CX-90, the 2026 CX-5 is projected to feature an upgraded transverse i-Active architecture. 5. Driver assistance and safety features. The CX-5 will provide a full range of modern driver assistance systems for safety. Traffic congestion assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and pedestrian detection are expected. 6. Release. The new 2026 Mazda CX-5 will premiere globally on July 10, 2025. After its debut, the vehicle is scheduled to hit dealerships in key regions, including the U.S. in late 2025 as a 2026 model. 7. Price estimate. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 should start at $31,000 Due to the makeover and new technologies, this model costs more than $30,190. The new hybrid and higher trims will cost extra. Mazda wants the CX-5 to compete in compact SUV prices.
so strong.